to understand. If you want to pass parameter values from one rule to another rule, it's not only activities, it can be any rule. We have already previously seen, we have passed a parameter value from section rule to repo definition while cascading dropdown. If you want to pass parameter values from one rule to other rule, this is the process. So here you go with here you need to write a value to email harsha7@gmail.com. Otherwise, it can be a hard coded value or it can be referenced from page.property, and or it can be an expression and all we can copy paste here. Okay, so anything you can use here. This is passing values. You have to pass all the values here. Suppose something I'm entering here. Okay, look at here. There is a checkbox available, pass current parameter page. If I select this checkbox, what is happening? It says additional parameters supplied below will be ignored. Means the values that you are passing will be ignored. Means this will not be taken at runtime. It is going to pass parameters directly. The parameter page itself will be passed. What is the name of the parameter page? So we have already accessed the parameter page, right? What is the name of the parameter page? Param. So your entire param page will be passed from here to other roles, send email notification. If you want to pass parameters itself, the approach is, first of all, you need to identify the target rule which you are calling. And the target rule parameter should be there. Should be there or not? So on the target rule, your parameter should be there, defined. So in the source rule, you have to set the parameters before you call it. Before you call it, in the source rule itself, we have to set the parameters. How to set the parameters? Using which method? Property set. So if you're going to write property set here, you need to assign parameter values using which page? Param page. You will write down param dot. What are the parameters here? Do I have any parameters here? Like the parameters are there in child activity, that is to email from email and all. If I want to access these parameters here, how would I access? I have to define here. Now you come to the parent activity and define the parameters. 2 I have defined. Param dot, you will see it 2. So this param dot 2, if I say pass current parameter page, this param dot 2 will be passed here. When it is passed to child activity, it will match the parameters. The parameter param dot 2 is available in this activity or not? Is it available? It is not available. The reason being, the 2 here has T capital letter. The 2 here is T small letter. It will come here. So taking this parameter, when I select this checkbox, param dot 2 entirely will be passed to, along with the value will be passed to child activity. It will try to identify the child activity matching parameter. Is there any parameter matching? So it won't assign here. It will not throw an error message, but it won't assign. Suppose if I have something like this, now it will send param dot 2. Matching parameter is here. So the value will be taken and assigned to this parameter. This is passing parameter itself. The parameter while you are passing, you need to make sure that the parameters on child activity must be defined in parent activity or parent rule. You say as it is, case sensitive, with as it is with names and data types. This is clear. So the parameters of child activity must be defined on parent activity. Both parameters should exactly match. This is what passing current parameter page meaning in the activity rule. So in the next business requirement that we are going to work on, you're going to learn passing parameters as well. This is clear, everyone? Everyone clear with pass current parameter page option? Just let me write down. This is done, completed. This is done up to here. The next topic is passing parameters. So before we have seen how to pass, we have understand about how to pass parameter values. It is not only activities, it is common to any rule. Okay, so look at here in the above screenshot. If we select the option, what is the option? Pass current parameter page, the param page of parent activity. Simply I'll write down parent activity will be passed to child activity. Okay, so before we do this, before we do pass, make sure that the parameters must be set before we do pass. Make sure that the parameters must be set at parent activity itself, at parent activity itself. So to perform this, what we should do? So the parameters of child activity must be defined on parent activity as well. So another point here is both rules, parameters on both rules, parameters on both rules must be matching. Parameters on both rules must be matching. This is how you'll select. So okay, that's it. Both rules must be matching. In the next requirement, we are going to learn how to pass parameters from one rule to another rule. Okay, just keep it aside. Let me talk about